Good morning, guys. This is lab one of rotating equipment. The first lab one is shell and tube heat exchanger. This is one of the shell and tube heat exchanger, which we can show how it works. And the important parts of the shell and tube heat exchanger is this is the shell, this portion shell, and inside you can see the tubes. Lot of tubes are there, and this tube is one side is bent here. You can see that is why it's called a U tube. And here this side is fixed, and the fixing of the tube is done in tube sheet. Here there is a tube sheet, and there is a gasket here to prevent leak, and also there is a channel head and the cover. This is the head of the channel. This is channel head and it's a cover, and that is how these are the important parts. And here you can see this is the one inlet, and for the water or hot fluid or cold fluid, the liquid can pass through either tubes, the hot liquid or cold liquid, and also the other side, the shell side also, the liquid can be passed. So here there are two motors, which you can see two pumps. These two pumps will pump water to the heat exchanger. So I'll see first. You can see one first time. So now the water is coming from this inlet. This inlet is the liquid is coming to the shell side. It fills the shell. It not go to the tubes. That is very important. It is not going to tubes. Only it is filling the shell side. This water, this liquid should be cold liquid, normally cold liquid. So it is passing the shell. Now when you start this one, you can see here. So from here, this is the inlet of the hot liquid going to the tubes. So the color, you can see the different color. So this is the hot liquid. So the hot liquid will transfer heat to the cold liquid. That is how it happens. And when it finish, you can see the water will come down here. This is the coming back to the tank here. Again, this is a tank here, coming back to the tank. And this is the inlet for the hot liquid, and this is the inlet of the cold liquid to the shell. So these are the important parts. Two inlets, one inlet here, this is the hot liquid inlet, and this is the cold liquid inlet, and this is the hot liquid, medium liquid after transferring heat going to the tank, and this is the outlet of the cold liquid passing through to the tank. This is how it works. So this is a very good demonstration. This will give an idea about how a heat exchanger, shell and tube heat exchanger work. This is a U tube. One and this side is floating, whereas this side is fixed. And there is a fixed tube sheet here, and also there is a gasket to prevent leak, and there is here channel head, and this is the channel head, and it's a cover. And in the plan you can see this is small for demonstration purpose. In the plan you can see very huge one. This is how it works. Okay.